Welcome back to another 3D web-worldz tutorial. This is Evie Marie, and today we're going to talk about interactive windows. These are ways and windows that pop up on the screen when a user interacts with an object in your region. If you haven't noticed already, there is a red circle in front of your avatar. This is what we call the focus point, and when you focus this red circle on interactive objects in a region, different things will happen. We've set up this box right here with our social media information for 3D web-worldz and how to connect with us. And it's an interactive window that we've created. When you create an interactive window, it is in your own personal library. You can assign it to as many objects as you like and as many regions that you have control. So we put a message in the bottle sitting here on the beach. The mesh objects cannot have some of these interactions because the objects are too complex. If they were a bunch of linked items and the central point was somewhere hidden on the mesh, it would make it too complicated for you to find the exact place to focus the circle. So we've removed that option from the mesh objects at this point, but we can always add an invisible prim on top of it to do the same thing. So if you're in the world like I am, we'll hit escape to get our cursor. Edit tools to get our window, edit assets. And we're going to focus on the upload and prepare section today. The fourth option or the fourth button says build your world pop-ups, and that is what we are going to do. So if we are working on a message in the bottle, we're going to call this A to Z. The note section is actually just for your reference to help you, if you have a long list of pop-ups like I do, to help you find it. If you had an image you wanted to include, you could do so here. So we'll just put event schedule. And we'll say stranded on the beach, Friday night. Bring Wi-Fi. And we're going to save that. So that is now in our library. And if I scroll down to A to Z, message in a bottle is right here. If I wanted to edit it, I could just click on it and make my changes. Okay, we'll close the form. Now it's in our library, but it's not attached to our object just yet. So now we go back to Edit Tool menu, scroll down to edit prim shapes in this region. And you can see that I have this object here that I've put the mesh object placeholder as a texture. So we're going to click that, scroll down to this gray box area. The second option is add an informational pop-up window. I'm going to click that, scroll down to the bottom, A to Z message in the bottle, save my changes, reload my world, but we forgot to make it invisible. Let's make it invisible really quick. Edit, and we're going to make that hidden. Reload our world. Wait for everything to load. Hover over our bottle, and there we go. It's as easy as that. We'll see you next time with another tutorial for 3D web-worldz.